Jockey. There you are. Gracie enjoys the sun. Hey Audrey, so today is a special day. It is beach day. After class I'm going to go to the beach because it's perfect outside. I'm really excited. I'll see you there. Beach music! I just got out of class and the girl who was sitting next to me said that I looked like a mermaid. So I am so okay with that. I stopped to get a milkshake before I go to the beach. I just got really close to the camera. Bye! It's a really long line. I'll never get my milkshake. I don't know where I am. I'm kind of sleepy. So I wasn't lost. I ended up at Navarre Beach. And as soon as I got there, it started storming. But that was okay because at first it was really romantic. I just watched the storm roll in. But then it started raining lightning really badly, and I'm still here at the beach. Ooh, I think I just caught a... Anyways, now I have to figure out how to get home.